my channel. In today's video I have a very exciting unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing some Fashionphile goodies. This is a purchase that I made for my anniversary last month. So if you guys would like to see my new bag, which I'm so freaking excited about, everything about this bag, why I picked it and all that jazz, please keep watching. Okay, you guys, so this was the bag that I teased in my latest haul. I wanted to get something really special for my birthday, and you guys know I always have a story time. I will put a timestamp on the screen if you would like to skip straight to the unboxing, but I always have a story time because buying luxury goods for me it's a whole experience, darling. I really delight in picking an item, finding it, and all that jazz. So if you guys saw my 2021 wish list, you would have seen that I really wanted the Chanel boy bag, but I really couldn't find one that met all my specifications in terms of color. And then I also was like, I don't know if the chain sliding on my shoulder is going to annoy me. So I decided against getting the Chanel boy bag, but I wanted something that was still classic yet fun. You guys know, if you've seen any of these Chanel unboxings this year on my channel, and I will link them all down below, that I am not into your typical classic Chanel bag. I just feel like I'm at a point in my bag collection where I want things that are a bit more fun. So while this is a classic style bag, it's classic with an edge, which I love. So I found this bag on Fashionphile. Well, before I even found it, I decided that I wanted this style of bag. And if you guys think you know what it is, leave down below what you think I got. I think you'd be surprised. This is a bag that was never really on my radar. I'd always seen women do collections featuring it and unboxings and reviews, but I always thought it was a bit too boring. But I decided when I wasn't going to get my boy bag, because I still like that bag, but they're just out of my price range. I set a budget for myself for bags this year of $2,500. Now I went a little over budget with this one, but not by too much. And I really couldn't find a boy bag in the size and style that I liked within my price parameters. So I went searching for this one, and I was scrolling Fashionphile because they're my #1 source for pre-owned. I like that I don't have to worry. Now, I buy pre-owned bags on the Facebook groups, which is like a huge come up for anyone who loves shopping pre-owned. I also buy them on eBay. Now, I am an experienced buyer of pre-owned goods. So if you are starting off buying pre-owned, I wouldn't really recommend eBay. Now, you can always get your items authenticated, but just note that there is no true authentication. It's just an expert giving their opinion, and these stores don't provide authentication services themselves. The only way that you would actually be able to officially authenticate your item is bring it to the store for repair. And if they tell you they can repair it, it's authentic. So I was scrolling Fashionphile and I came across this bag and I was like, wow. I had never seen this style of bag. I believe it was a limited edition style from either 2008 or 2012, and I'll put it across the screen. But when I saw this bag, it spoke to me. I have no other bags in my collection this color. I love that it was so fun. And yeah, so that's how I came across this bag. It was definitely not on my wish list, but it spoke to me. So here are all my goodies from the file of the Fashion. We, of course, have our confetti moments. You guys, I love Fashionphile. And I know everybody is not into buying pre-owned bags, but I love a deal. I'm not gonna spend $4,000 on a bag personally with my own money. So I like buying pre-owned because I can get something that's a little more different. Specifically, like I said, I'm really not into like Chanel traditional classic flaps. Not that they're a bad bag. I just want things that are a bit more interesting and that complement my style. So that's how I came across this bag. I am so excited. And she also came with a little nail file, and it says, I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. Period. Sometimes. We love investments also. So you guys, this is the bag that I got. I am so excited. This was my big gift to myself this year. I've never actually held this bag, or, well, I'm sure I've seen it in person, like out and about, but I'm so excited. So do you guys think you guessed correctly? What do you think this bag is? This bag was listed in very good condition, I believe. Yeah, so I took the plunge, I purchased it, and I've been waiting a few days to film this video, you guys. It's been so hard. It's a few days before my birthday, but I want to use this bag for my birthday, so I figured let's open her up. So on the bottom, you have a little sticker that says used is the new. It is, darling. I'm so excited about this bag. You excited, Muffin? You want Chanel? Your auntie gave you a Chanel bag. I'll pop a picture. Chloe really does have a Chanel bag squeaky toy. You excited about my bag? Can't put your paws on it, baby. Oh, I got a peek. Okay, she has to check it out. Everything copacetic, mama? Yes? Love it. Thank you for that. So it came in a Fashionphile dust bag. Now, when purchasing from pre-loved websites or what have you, or individual sellers, I'm not really a stickler about the bag having its box and everything of the sort because I don't have room to store all my boxes. So I keep a few of them collapsed, but I'm not a big box collector because I just don't want to amass all those boxes. But I'm so excited, you guys. I love making a big deal of unboxings because for me, it's a big deal. So let's open her up. I can't wait for you guys to see. You're gonna be so shocked. So without further ado, oh, she's beautiful. This is my new baby. Now let me get the name correct. This is the Chanel Metallic Striped Calfskin. The whole name isn't in it. It's in my receipts. I'll be able to read that for you guys. But this is a Chanel reissue bag in size 226. It is in this dark silver color. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. So I decided to get this bag because it's a little different. It's not what you would expect. It's a classic Chanel bag with a twist though. As you can see, it has a striped metallic finish on the calfskin leather, which is so soft. It does have a double flap. You have a zipped pocket in the back that only goes up this way, and then you have a full pocket that goes to the base of the bag. And this is what it looks like inside. Now I'm really excited about the straps because people are always talking about these Chanel reissue straps, the chain straps being so soft and comfy, and you guys, they really are. So these are what the straps look like. It's ruthenium silver. It just looks aged. I love this bag. So like I said, this is the size 226, which is kind of a cross between a medium large flap and a Chanel jumbo flap. I always find the jumbo just seems to be too big, so I figured the 226 was the perfect size. You have your Chanel Mademoiselle turn lock right here. So if you see this bag out and about, unless you really know what a Chanel reissue bag is, you probably wouldn't know what it is. But I love that because as I'm getting older, I really like pieces that are a bit more understated. And though this is a silver bag, I think she's a bit understated. So, oh, I'm so excited. She came with bubble wrap. Oh my gosh, you guys. She's so soft and malleable. Now, that was one thing that really drew me to this bag. Traditional Chanel classic flaps are just very rigid and structured. And if you know anything about me, I love a bag that's not so rigid. If it is rigid, I like it to be smaller because I'm already a big girl. I'm a plus size 16. And when I'm out and about with a larger structured bag, I just feel like it's knocking into everything around me. So I love that the Chanel reissue calfskin is very pliable and just soft. I also like that this bag, whoa, she tried to take my lipstick off. No, ma'am. I also like that this bag folds into a point at the bottom. So it sits closely to your body, and I'll show you that when I stand up. It also features your back Mademoiselle pocket, I believe. And that's great for like parking stubs, anything like that. I am obsessed with this bag. Now it was listed in very good condition. It does have some color transfer or wearing of the color kind of around this square portion of the flap and a little down here. It's definitely more noticeable in person, but I think it gives a nice, unique character to the bag because this bag overall just looks very aged and a little vintage in my opinion. But I'm loving this, you guys. So let me stand up and give you some mod shots. So yeah, you guys, that's the unboxing of my newest Chanel baby. Did you guys guess this bag correctly? I just never thought that I would be a reissue girl, but now that I own one, I definitely want one in black calfskin with like gold hardware. I just think this bag is so classic but with an edge. It's like a dark silver gunmetal color, and you guys know traditionally I wear all black, so this is going to be perfect. I can also wear it in the spring and summer, but in the fall and winter as well. It's different. It's not what you would expect from your average Chanel bag, but it's perfect. I love it. It's unique, it's soft and sumptuous. I love a good soft Chanel bag, and I'm just so excited about this. As you guys saw in the try on portion, it definitely fits nicely for my size. Like I said, I'm about 5'5" and 3/4. That counts. And I'm a size US plus size 16, and this is a nice size bag for me. It's not too big, it's not too small, and also because it folds flat like this to a point, it sits really nicely next to the body, and I just think this is a great size bag. I did go a bit over budget. I will list the price that I paid down below, but you guys, I'm so happy with this purchase. I can definitely see myself getting more reissues in the future. Yeah, so happy birthday to me. This was my large gift to myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you would like me to do a review months later down the line. I don't see a lot of plus size women reviewing the Chanel reissue. Before I purchase a bag, I always do my due diligence, searching how to like spot a fake in terms of Chanel, because I have probably 6 or 7 Chanel bags now, but I'm not an expert like I would say I am with Louis Vuitton. I've been collecting Louis Vuitton for decades, but not Chanel. And so I do a lot of research, and I always like to look up videos on YouTube because I think it's nice to see the things that people like about a bag and also the things that they dislike, because those could be either pros or cons for myself. So I'm always here for a nice review. So let me know if you guys would like to see a review of this bag. I'm just so happy. So thank you, Fashionphile, for selling me this lovely little Chanel bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, did you think this was going to be a bag I chose? Do you like it? Do you not like it? I'm open to all suggestions and feedback and questions and comments. I love you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.